Welcome back, collectors, to the InScentive collection. I'm your host, Brandon, and today we are getting into Drakkar Intense, right? You almost want to say Drakkar Noir, like automatically, but that would be wrong. This is the Intense formula, if I'm not mistaken. It's more of a warm, ambery type of fragrance. I think it's perfect for going into the colder months, so that's why it's here now. This is 100 ml. It's an EDP formulation, and let's go ahead and unsheath it. Oh, it's got a little fight to it. Victory has been had. Now, unsheath this thing. Look at that color. Garimas. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I don't know if this has been dyed or not, but it's a pretty deep color. See how strong it is. Let's go ahead and get it into the spirit. It's got that old classic atomizer. Kind of cool. It's a new fragrance, but it still has the retro look. Not bad. Not bad. I don't know if I like this more than the black bottle, but let's check it out. There it is. Fresh, nice atomizer. You have aromatic, fresh spice, woody, lavender, patchouli, earthy, mossy, soft spice, and leather. And right off the bat, it definitely has that same appeal. It's not as fresh, but it's not nearly as ambery as I thought it would have been either. I mean, I'm getting a lot of lavender. It smells like it's, you know, very similar to the other one. In the top notes, you got wormwood, coriander, rosemary, bergamot. In the middle notes, you got lavender, clary sage, juniper berries. In the base, you got lavender, patchouli, suede, and moss. I wish I had the other one to compare them directly, but without your citrus notes up top, it's giving me the same thing. I mean, it's a great fragrance. Definitely think you should check it out. I think it was like 30 bucks. But it's not as, I just thought that it would have been dramatically different. I'm trying to say how it's different. It has that same, I guess it's spicier. Like it doesn't have the same smoothness or bright aspect up at the top. But I do think that this is something that is a little spicier. And that would make sense. It being an EDP, that is something I'm curious about, like duration. Like, does this last longer? I mean, it's already gone off my wrist, so it's not that thick of an oil. As you said, this was 30 bucks for 100 ml. Yeah, this is, I mean, I'm getting cinnamon. I didn't see that on the notes, but maybe it's the coriander that's giving you that. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm getting cinnamon here. This to me smells very spicy. Yeah. Okay, it's starting to open up a little bit. I can see how this is different. It reminds me of, what's that gum? That fire red gum? I forget what that's called. Is it Fire Stick? I can't remember. There's a red gum. Not spearmint, but the other one. It reminds me a lot of that. It's got a really spicy, it's definitely getting more spicier as the seconds come out. Wow. It's really spicy, warm. Man, this is changing a lot. That's impressive. Yeah, this is almost nothing like what it started off as. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of cinnamon. Maybe and maybe some nutmeg in here. Maybe that's the coriander. I don't know. Not very bright. A lot of lavender. I can smell the patchouli and a little bit of the moss. Yeah, this is this is dramatically different from the Noir. It still has the same DNA. Like they're like, I would say cousins. They're not brothers or sisters. They're cousins. Oddly enough, it's getting a little sweet. I wonder what's giving it that. The juniper berries are coming out. Yeah. Not bad. This is, I'm impressed. Let's go ahead and get this into the spirit. Yeah, see, I'm getting that DNA again, the original Noir DNA. But it's very different on skin. And as it starts to open up. Anyway, yeah. I like how they kept the same top too. Those are my initial impressions. Oh, this top is real clicky. Those are my initial impressions of Drakkar Intense. This is not bad. This is not bad. It's not as like, it's more, oddly enough, it is a little bit more subtle. Maybe because it doesn't have those bright citrus notes in it, but this is not bad. This is definitely something that you can keep on the shelf for 30 bucks. Gym bag material. I don't know about gym bag. It's kind of spicy, but yeah, not bad for 30 bucks. Yeah. So anyway, let me know what you guys think of the Drakkar Noir as opposed to, I'm sorry, Drakkar Intense as opposed to Drakkar Noir. And I know there's a blue one. I don't know if I need another blue fragrance, but I am interested to see what they would do. Especially considering how much this one has changed. Yeah. Yeah, I believe the rosemary and juniper berries are really turning this into, it's almost like a Christmassy type of scent. It smells like a wreath. Yeah. So, let me know what you guys think. I know one thing's for sure, YouTube's making some excellent recommendations right now. Go ahead and check out the funnel. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.